Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Trishina, and on this channel I share all things home decor and lifestyle to help you create a beautiful home or a beautiful space on a budget. In today's video, I'm unboxing and assembling these stunning accent chairs that I recently ordered from Amazon. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't. Let's get straight into this video. So let's start with the unboxing. The chairs arrived in two separate boxes and everything was really packaged. As you can see, the pieces were wrapped in boxes and also plastic, which I'm breaking it apart right now. I love when the companies take extra steps with their packaging. It shows care and quality. Inside the box, you'll find the seat base, backrest, 4-leg screws, washers, and tools for the assembly. The instruction manual is also included, and honestly, it is super easy to follow. Right away, I was impressed with the fabric. It is a soft, linen-like texture that feels durable, but it seems like it's still cozy. The color is a beautiful neutral tone that works with so many styles. Whether you love minimal, boho, or traditional decor, this kind of chair is so versatile. And those are the main reasons why I decided to go with these accent chairs. So here I'm just pulling the chair from the box. Honestly, it was pretty tight to remove. So that's the reason why I'm just trying to move the boxes out of the way so I can have more space. But it was a bit of hassle to get this chair out. And then while I was doing that, my mind was telling me, okay, try to turn the box over and then open it from that way so some air can get in. And guys, I finally made it. Yeah, so that was a bit difficult, but here I'm just removing the plastic from the chair, and then I'm like, okay, I need this manual. The instruction is pretty easy to follow, so that is what I'm just reading just to see. And they said that the pillow is inside the bottom of the chair, so I just remove the pillow, which later down I don't think I'm going to use those pillow, but for now I can just use it as a placeholder. So here I'm just removing the screws and everything that I'll need to attach the foot of the chair, and so I'm just assembling everything. So step one was attaching these legs to the chair, and as you can see before, I definitely add the sticker at the bottom. I guess that is to prevent scratch on your floor. So I'm just adding the legs to the chair. That's what I'm going to start off with because that's what the instruction manual suggests. So that is what I'm doing here. This took me about 15 minutes total per chair, and I wasn't rushing. I always suggest working on a rug or towel to avoid scratching the legs or the floor, and don't forget to check each screw to make sure it's secure before using the chair. So right here, I'm just turning over the chair and I'm just checking to see if everything is level, which it is not, but it's not the chair fault. It's just the construction here where I live at. Everything is lean in this place. So right here I'm just attaching the bolts. So step 2 was attaching the backrest to the seat using the included bolts. I recommend doing this loosely at first, then tightening everything at the end once it's all lined up. And then step 3 is attaching the back, which I'm going to show you guys that in a few minutes. So right here, I was contemplating what I was doing wrong, and then I read the manual and realized that I was totally doing something different. So here I'm just attaching this tool to the backrest just to secure the backrest into the bottom part of the chair. Let's talk quality. The seat cushion is firm, which I actually love. It means it hold its shape and offer good support. The backrest has a gentle curve to it, which gives the chair a more designer feel, in my opinion. And those legs, they are sleek, and the reason why I also get these chairs is because it has like a beige color leg, because I really want this office area to be beige and white and a little bit of black. So I really like the fact that the legs, it has like a beige color. All right. Plus they come with rubber tips to protect your floors, which is thoughtful. And if you're shopping on a budget, these chairs really give you that high-end look for less. And I'll have the exact link in the description if you want to check them out. So here I'm just attaching the backrest of the chair. And honestly, guys, it was a bit difficult for me. When one side is down, the other one is not going down. So it took a minute for me to attach the chair. Here's how the chair looks when it's all set up. Absolutely beautiful, right? I styled mine in a little corner of the living room, which I'm going to make this area my office area to create a cozy reading nook. The chair comes with this little accent pillow, and tell me why I was chopping the pillow. That's very funny to me. So here I'm just on the second chair, which I'm going to go ahead and repeat the same process as the one before. So just watch and see how I do that. I love accent chairs because they are such a fun way to elevate a space without a full makeover. You can either place one by a window, next to a console table, or even in your bedroom to add that extra layer of comfort and style. I also love pairing it with like a small side table and a plant for a complete look, which that is what I'm going to do in my full office makeover video. And this is the final result. That is it for today's video. I'm really impressed with the look and quality of these chairs, and for the price, it's a total win. If you're thinking about updating a space in your home, definitely consider an accent chair like this one. Let me know in the comments where you would place a chair like this in your home, or if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss an upload from me. Thanks so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.